In this video, we will see how to sort array elements. What is sorting? Sorting is nothing but arranging the elements either in ascending order or descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but if we have a characters, consider A, B, C, D up to Z, we can consider as ascending order. Descending order is nothing but the reverse order, Z, Y, X, W and so on up to A. So this is descending order. If we have numbers, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is ascending order. Reverse of our numbers like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is descending order. Now we will see how to sort an array elements. So we have taken an array and it has some elements 0, 1, 4, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 9. Some random elements we have taken of type integer type. Now we will try to sort this one. How we will sort? First we will compare 0th index value with other elements. If 0th index value is greater than the other elements, we will swap the values. Then we will compare first index value with other elements. If the first index value is greater than the other elements, then we will swap the elements. So if we do like this, in the end result, the elements will be arranged in the ascending order. What we are doing, this first statement we will use before sorting, and this second statement will be after sorting. Now we will use for loop to traverse the array elements one by one. So we will take int I is equals to 0 because we are starting from 0th index, and we will check I less than or equals to array.length because it should not give array index out of bounds exception, and we will increment the value automatically. Now we will take another for loop. Why we are taking another for loop? In the first for loop it will give the first all elements. In the second for loop what we will do? We will compare each element with other elements. That is the reason we are taking another for loop. Int j is equals to I plus 1 we will take, because in the first what will be, I will be pointed to 0th index, j will be pointed to the first index. So it will be incremented, so we can happily check all the elements with the 0th index. Now this j also should less than array.length. If we give array.length more than that, it will give array index out of bounds exception. That is the reason we are checking this condition here. Now what we will do, first we will check if array of I is 0th index is greater than array of j. If array of I greater than array of j means ith 0th in the first iteration, if it is true, if it is this condition true, that means 0th index value is greater than. If 0th index is greater than, we will swap the values. So we will create one temporary variable into temp is equals to 0. Now what we will do, first what we will do in the temporary variable, we will keep the whatever the value in the 0th index. So now temporary value will have 0th index 1, and we will in the array of 0th index, that is array of ith index is equals to whatever the value in the second index, that is next index 1 j. Array of I is equals to array of j, and array of j, whatever the j value is there, right, whatever the value in the temporary value we have swapped. Comparing and we are swapping if any element is greater than. So now let's run this one and see. If you see here, we are having 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the given array. We are able to sort the array. Minus is the smallest value, right? So we are able to sort. Let us change these values and we'll see. If you apply any value also it will be same. Let's change the one value and we'll see whether it's working or not. So happily we are able to sort the elements. So this is how we use it to sort an array elements. So if you want to sort an array elements, the developers needs to write some logic according to their requirement. So if you want to sort an array elements, instead of writing all this code, we can happily use inbuilt method to sort the array elements. So how to sort an array elements? By using Arrays.sort method, we can happily sort the array. This is the inbuilt method which is available in the java.util.arrays class. What this method will do? Sorts the specified array into ascending order. So if you see in this example, we have taken an array int I. It has some values 1, 6, 5, 0, 2, some random elements it is having. We are using arrays.sort method and we are printing the result. If you see, the array elements are sorted according to the ascending order. The default natural sorting order is nothing but ascending order. If we say something sorting means, by default we can consider as ascending order. If you see in this example, we have some characters MOMEDARAM, some random characters we are having, and we are sorting this character array. So the result is sorted according to the natural sorting order, that is ascending order, AADEMMMOR. So it is sorted as a ascending order. So by using this arrays.sort method, we can happily sort the array elements. Consider if you have lot of elements, 1000 or 2000 elements. If you don't want to sort all the elements, you want to sort only particular portion only, like between the index positions, from index to 2 index only. Some part of array only you wants to sort. That time we will use this another overloaded method of this sort method. So if you see in this example, we have a character array and it has some elements. So we are using arrays.sort method. The first argument is whatever the array we are planning to sort, and the second argument is from index, from which index position you want to start the sorting, and two index is for up to which index you want to sort, that is the portion of the array you want to sort, right? That time we are using this arrays.sort of 3 argument method. So if you see here, it is sorted I, D, E, F, G, H, C, B, A, that is first index is from H, G, F, E, D. So some elements are there, right? Here these elements, that portion of elements only sorted here. If you see, first element is I is there, here also I is there, here H is there, but this D is sorted from here, D, E, F, G, H, then C, B, A is printed. Because here we are using sort overloaded method, we are using it accepts 3 argument array from index and to index. That's the reason the result is like this. In the arrays class, the sort method is overloaded method and it accepts all type of primitive types. So primitive data types we have 8, right? But here int, byte, char, long, float, short, double is there. Boolean is missing because boolean means it will have true or false only. So they are not using that one. Other all types of arrays we can able to sort. And here also we have a second another method, like another way of sorting is it allows all type of arrays and you can able to sort the portion of that array also. And this arrays also store objects, right? So if you want to sort objects also, we can able to use this sort method to start this one. So if you want to sort array elements, happily we can use arrays.sort method. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching.